Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the essentials are in place. Check that your PC runs Windows 10 build 1903 or later, then enable Xbox Game Bar in Settings. Once done, verify privacy and storage. Allow the microphone and free up at least 12 GB on the drive where captures save. Next, confirm keyboard shortcuts are set for record and capture so you can trigger recording quickly. Make sure game mode isn't blocking background apps, because that can stop captures before they begin. Now you dig into the middle steps. Reset the Xbox Game Bar app to clear corrupted settings, and then reinstall if reset fails. While that runs, update GPU drivers and Windows to eliminate compatibility issues that prevent encoding. Make sure background recording and capture options are enabled inside the Game Bar overlay so the system can buffer gameplay. Also confirm the Xbox-related services are running and that the app has permission to record the screen and sound. Finish by running a short test with Win+Alt+R and immediately review the saved file to confirm audio and video sync. If recordings fail or stutter, toggle hardware encoding and capture settings. Switch to software encoding if your GPU causes dropped frames. Clear old captures, restart the PC, and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist across accounts, create a new Windows user to isolate profile corruption. Alternatively, use OBS or another recorder while you repair or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.